Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can implement Lottie animation in your application. So if you want to use any kind of animation, this is the good platform to use in your application. Let's begin by adding the dependencies. So first of all we need to type Lottie and you can find com.airbnb.android and you just need to add this dependency and we can verify it. Here it is in our build.gradle file. Let's close it and let our project to be synced. So it's synced now, and let's go to our main activity. Inside our activity layout we just simply need to add a layout that is Lottie animation view, and we'll set its width, height and the constraints now. So basically I'm positioning it on the screen. So I'm adding it in the center of the screen. And now these parameters are like autoplay. So autoplay true means like it will start playing by itself, that animation. Loop, like it will keep repeating. And the last parameter for this is raw resource, this one. So here we need to pass a JSON file. Let's get that JSON file. Before that, let's create a raw folder in our resource, under your resource repository. So this raw folder has created. Now we need a JSON file to put it here. Let's grab that JSON file. So first of all need to open this lottiefiles.com, and on this portal you can search any kind of animation. So I'm searching for thank you currently, and it keep loading lot of animation. You can choose anyone. So I'll choose this, seems too good to me. Let's download it. So I'm downloading the JSON file. So our JSON file has downloaded. Now let me copy and paste it inside the raw folder. I'm giving a different name, and we'll close this JSON file and we'll pass the same file name inside our raw resource. And that's all. Let's run our application now and see. So you see same animation you can see on the screen. So now let me show you how you can add multiple animation on the same screen. So it's similar, like we just simply setting the constraint, setting the position of the animation, and let me download another animation. So let me see which one will look good to me. So let's download this one. Click on download and it's downloaded now. Let me copy and similarly paste it inside the raw folder, and you can set the name. We'll copy that same name and we'll paste it here inside our layout. And now let's run our application and see if we can have both the animation. So one is on top, we can see now, and another one is as on center of the screen. So both the animation are working absolutely fine. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section and let me know how you like this Lottie animation. Thank you.